How's it going, everybody? This is Market Michael here. Now, I didn't expect a big run up towards the end of the day. Now, I did say we could have another leg up. I just didn't think that it would be this big. Now, the question is, will this momentum run into tomorrow? Now, it seems the futures have just stopped trading completely. It is a silent market. It is dead right now after hours. I can't even hear a pin drop, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm seeing. What do we got going? This 10-minute looks like we're going to fail. We're already into the negative here. And again, we're already into the negative here. We didn't get much. Let's check a 30-minute. These are all futures, guys, ladies and gentlemen. NQ is NASDAQ. ES is S&P. YM is Dow Johnny Boy. Okay. You know, we are just flat looking to go down. I am just not expecting any continuation here. Look at how weak we were this today. All the move happened. The move didn't even happen, Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we're pretty much freaking right where we opened. S&P, we're a little bit, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Look at this spike. We definitely didn't close above this spike, so what the fuck? And we closed much higher on the comp here. We barely closed above the spike. Look at this 30-minute. Again, we're not even trading. No. I see movement happening over here. Just markets aren't trading. They absolutely scam us by running stocks and then not allowing them to do what they need to do after hours, by manipulating them after hours, by putting out that fucking China bullshit last night. We would have failed and crashed hard, let me tell you. Look at this. Guys, look at that. No go, Dice-a-Rooney, goodbye, RIP, and then we were saved by fucking fried rice. I don't know. I don't think this is sustainable. The only way to see where this goes is tomorrow's trading day. And it's funny because it's like for the last freaking week it's like that was the message is, well, we have to wait till tomorrow, see where the direction goes. We have to wait till tomorrow, see where the direction goes. Oh, we gotta wait till tomorrow because we don't know what's going on. We gotta wait for tomorrow. Give us some direction. Literally been the fucking case. Now, these are all futures, so it's slightly different than the actual indices, baby, please. Now, I don't know. That's pretty bullish. Those are our first real bull candles. Look, literally nothing. I'll pull up in 1 minute. Ready, guys? You're gonna see nothing. No buys. Drop off. We have not been trading for over 10 minutes, guys. For over 10 minutes, the futures have not been active. No one has bought a single share in the futures. We have bids up at the ask price. Here, we just changed. There we go. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck was that, guys? What is up with this manipulation? They just fucking want to hold everything. Oh, we gotta hold it right as it's gonna fail, or else it's gonna fail. We gotta hold it so we get that bent up buying pressure. What a load of shit. The futures didn't trade for over 15 minutes, and you're telling me that that's okay. Watch, they're gonna put out some news uh, saying, I don't know, some bullshit. Anyway, I don't know where this is going. I think we're gonna go south. If we couldn't break ahead, we couldn't get out of this ascending triangle pattern. So we're a little bit above it, but not really. Look at this. Come on. All that bent up buying pressure over 15, 20 minutes, and you're going to tell me that. Hold on, wait a minute. One. You're going to tell me 6:15 to pretty much 15 minutes of absolutely no one buying. Meanwhile, the ask was the same as the bid. These markets are sketchy. They're hard to get right. If you are not an experienced technical trader, don't even bother gambling unless you're willing to take that risk. But at this point, I don't know. It could be a good gamble because for the bulls, because look at this daily on the S&P here. We're positive. MACD crossed. Indicators are coming up, but oh, wait a minute. Look at here, guys. We're already halfway. We're halfway CCI spikeage. That means we're not gonna what? We're gonna go 100 points, 100 points more. Spike out the CCI, and that's your bull run? Come on, that don't sound right. Again, this is utter manipulation in the markets here. Let's go ahead and do a recap. And this is going to be my last video for today, boys and girls. What a mess of lines. You know what? Can I make this? The fuck? Can we remove that? I just removed the wrong one. Well, nah, this is okay. We could have two. I just don't want three, you know what I'm saying? And they're right on top of each other too, so it's hard to see. So we got a 38 and a 50 right here. Couldn't pass it. And again, we couldn't pass it on this wedge. What's that telling me? This is telling me it's going to fail. Let's go here. Again, look, same exact candles here. So what is that telling you? We're going to fail. And we couldn't break out of the wedge. Now, let's go on a daily baby please for that comp. I don't want to make this video too long. My sciatica nerve is starting to hurt from sitting all day. Now, that's a spinning top. That's a transition candle. But you need two transitions. Or no, you need a confirmation candle after the transition in order for it to be to confirm the transition. So, and we're kind of breaking out. So if anything means anything, so if we need to follow one of the indices, it's got to be the Nasdaq. So if anything, I would say it's possible that we could have this move up here. We could, we've gone through, we did the hard work. Now the futures are just going to trade at nothing and not even basically trade. If only 300 shares were sold in the last hour, that's not right. Get the fuck out of here. So last 30 minutes really. So yeah, they're gonna push these markets up higher. That's probably what's gonna happen. But We're in a bear market. We're gonna try and close this gap. We're gonna try and get to the 61% on the fib here. Won't take long with this volatility, unless we get some negative action that would translate into another bearish candle or continuation candle. You know, we're at the point where we need to go one way or the other. So so it's very possible that we are gonna go above and beyond and take off. You know, these futures are being manipulated right now, so no one's buying. We're gonna have to wait and see. No one's buying, but people are selling. So look, you can see it pretty good. We'll pop it up on our charts, and then I'm just going to let you go. We got that economic news coming out tomorrow, the core PPI, the core consumer price index, and also the, look at here though, but look, that looks no good, guys. That's, Dow Jones looks disgusting. Dow Jones looks sick and look like it's going to fail. Same thing with the S&P 500, even though we closed above those highs, we still didn't establish any room above it. But look at here. You know, the faster you go up, the harder you're going to fall. So, you know, they didn't allow the markets to fully reset. And what's going to happen is we're going to feel the pain. We're going to feel the pain. It's going to have to come down. Going to have to come down, and will it come? And that's the thing. If it's coming down, we're testing this low. We're going to test this trend line. If we happen to fail it, we're screwed. We're, instead of that bullish, MACD run, it's going to be negative. Well, that's that, guys. You know, and look at here. This candle is not good. That's not a good candle. That's a transition candle. I called the top somewhere. In a 30-minute, I could probably see where I called it. Yeah. Yeah, I called the top right here. We had this tiny little bit, and it just popped back up and went for that extra leg. I told you guys right here, markets are getting ready they're getting topped off. And I said another leg up is possible. I wrote that down in the comment section, and I'm pretty sure I said it in the video. But I'm going to have to leave it there, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'm really not sure what we're in for. Tomorrow. I can only assume that we're just going to fall down and test that. You know, gonna have to drop 50 points on the S&P, test that trend line. On the Dow, drop. No way. I, I honestly, I don't know. I'm using a different Dow Jones here, so I'm not gonna give you numbers for Dow, but you know, for Nasdaq we gotta fall pretty good. We gotta fall a good 100 points for it to test that bottom. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I mean, even for Nasdaq, I'm pretty sure we did hit 711238, 711238, 711798, 7112, 7117. So we had a higher high, but now are we gonna get a lower low? That's the question. If we get a lower low, that's gonna determine whether we're in a bear trend or a bull trend. Short term, long term, it depends what the switch goes, and then long term that daily MACD will want to cross over. But for now, But for now, futures are dead, and they're. I hate how they just make them. They fucking. It's Saved by the Bell. Saved by the Bell is perfect. Well, there you go. There you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. We can't be sure which way they're going to go. They're definitely going to come back down, but how far down will they go? Are they just going to test support real quick and then run up? I don't really know. They're manipulating these futures. Not a single share. We got 10 shares sold. Nothing selling, but CCI spiking. Absolutely ridiculous. Well, thank you very much, guys. And I'll talk to you later. Please like and subscribe. We got the economic data coming out tomorrow. Core consumer price index as well as Fed minutes. So maybe I could watch it with you, or nah, never mind. All right, forget it, guys. Take care. Love you.